In this guide, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about IRS Form 1040 and how it works when filing your personal income taxes. So, first, Form 1040 is the main document used to file your federal income tax in the United States. It's where you report your basic personal details like your name, address, social security number, and your filing status, which can be single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying surviving spouse. You'll also include information for your spouse and dependents if applicable. Next, the form is divided into sections where you report your income, deductions, and credits. This is how the IRS calculates whether you owe taxes or are eligible for a refund. Depending on your situation, you may also need to attach additional schedules or forms to report other types of income or claim specific deductions. There is also a special version called 1040 SR, which is designed for taxpayers aged 65 and over. It's very similar to regular 1040, but it uses a larger font and includes a simplified standard deduction chart to make it easier to read and fill out. And if all of these feels confusing, you don't have to worry. When you use TurboTax, it simply asks you easy questions about and automatically fills out Form 1040 for you, making the entire tax filing process much simpler. So overall, Form 1040 is the foundation of your tax return, and once you understand it, filing taxes becomes a lot easier. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.